You need a high band score on your next IELTS speaking exam, and this lesson will help you get there. Join our premium IELTS package at aehelp.com to get all of our videos and use the code HAPPY9 for a 20% discount. Click the link in the video description. Now, get ready for a first-person interview with me. Use the subtitles as needed for part 1, talking about routines. Part 2, making a person happy. Part 3, positive experiences and sharing memories. Let's begin. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. The test has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each. I'm recording this for marking and clerical purposes. May I see your passport, please? What is your full name? Do you work or go to school? What do you like about your workplace or school? For part 1, I will ask you some questions on a general topic. Let's talk about daily routines. What is the first thing you do after you wake up? Where do you usually go for lunch? Who are people that you meet with each week? Why is it important to have some routines in life? How have your daily routines changed over the past 5 years? If you could change one part of your daily routine, what would it be? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. For part 2, I will show you some questions. Please do not touch the booklet. You will have 1 minute to read these questions. Think about your answers. You can take notes in this time if you wish. You have some note paper there in front of you and your pen. Then you will have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Talk about an idea you had to make someone happy. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now.
Hey everyone, this is Aishwarya. So today I'm going to reveal how I scored a 7.5 band with just a week's preparation in my very first attempt.
Hello, I'm Cass from the Philippines. I got an overall 7.5 in the IELTS and a band 8 for speaking.
I took my IELTS test and I got 8 overall using the materials from AE Help.
With that grades, I can now fulfill my United States dreams to work and to live there for the rest of my life.
And now I will be able to sign up with the Paramedicine Board of Australia.
So if you guys are looking for a good resource in order to practice for your IELTS, I highly recommend going through Academic English Help YouTube channel as well as the website. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Your 1-minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking. Stop there, your time is up. Please put your note paper to the side, turn it over, and your pen as well. I will now take back the questions and we will continue with part 3. For this part, I will ask you a question related to your response and some questions connected to this topic. Would you recommend this to others to have a good time as well? Let's talk about creating positive experiences. What are some different ways that people can make others happy? What is a simple way to make a person feel good? How has society improved over the past few hundred years to enable citizens to feel better? What further improvements can society make to help citizens have even more positive experiences? Let's talk about sharing memories. Why is it important to share our memories with other people? Is it always good to share our past with others? What are some popular ways that people can share their positive experiences with other individuals? That is the end of part 3, and that concludes the speaking section of the IELTS exam. You will have your mark available online in 2 days, and your official certificate in the mail in about 10 days. Goodbye. There are many important tips and strategies to get those high band scores. Here's one for part 1. Part 1 is about you. So for part 1 answers, make sure to speak about yourself, especially when the question is directed towards you. Like, what are your regular daily routines? In this case, you should answer with I, me, my. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. Make it personal. This is important for part 1 for coherence, fluency, and clarity. A very important tip for part 2 to get those high band scores is use your notes and use the questions. That's why they are there. So many candidates forget to look at their notes and look at the questions. They get stuck for ideas. They repeat the same ideas over and over, and their band score plummets. When you feel like you're about to get stuck, or you're about to say the same information again and again, stop for a second. Look at your notes, get some new ideas. Look at the questions, see which ones you haven't answered, and add more details. This will help you to get a higher band score in coherence, fluency, vocabulary, grammatical range, accuracy, and pronunciation. In part 3, don't rush your answers. You do not need to speak super fast to get a high band score. Speaking quickly isn't the same as speaking fluently. You can speak relatively slow and still be fluent. It's much more important to have good answers and express clear ideas. To do this, think before you speak and use the question. When the examiner asks you about positive experiences, think about positive experiences that you've had in your life, such as meeting a new friend, having a birthday party, and remember those emotions, those feelings. Put them together in clear sentences. If you need time, ask for it. That's a good question. I need a moment to think. It's okay to do this. Don't rush. Keep these tips in mind, and you too will see improvements on your next IELTS speaking section. Good luck the next time you sit the test. Now that you've finished your practice, if you needed to use the subtitles, watch the video again and answer the questions without subtitles. Also, you can click this card to watch a candidate from India give these answers on his IELTS speaking exam. Keep practicing and you too will get those high band scores. When you see new vocabulary, make sure to write it down and use it in your writing and speaking as soon as possible. Keep up the good work. Get all of our video lessons, practice exams, interactive courses, and an app for your phone. Visit and join our premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. Use that code HAPPY9 for the 20% discount. Click the link in the video description. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.